Metaphysics is a branch of philosophy that deals with the nature of reality. It's concerned with the fundamental questions of existence, such as what is the nature of the universe and what is the nature of consciousness. At its core, metaphysics is concerned with understanding the nature of being, or what it means for something to exist. This includes understanding the nature of things that are not visible or tangible, such as abstract concepts, thoughts, and emotions. One of the key questions in metaphysics is the nature of causation, or how one event or thing causes another. This includes understanding the relationship between cause and effect, and whether or not there is a fundamental principle that governs the universe. Another central question is the nature of time and space. This includes understanding the nature of time itself, as well as the relationship between space and time, and the nature of the universe as a whole. One of the major debates in metaphysics is the question of determinism versus free will. Determinism is the idea that all events and actions are predetermined by past events and circumstances, and that there is no such thing as true free will. On the other hand, free will is the idea that individuals do have the ability to make choices that are not determined by external circumstances or past events. Another important area of metaphysics is the nature of consciousness. This includes understanding the relationship between the mind and the body, and whether or not consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the universe. Metaphysics is a broad and complex field, and there are many different theories and approaches to understanding the nature of reality. Some philosophers believe that metaphysics is a necessary foundation for understanding other areas of philosophy, like ethics or politics, while others argue that it is an abstract and ultimately unanswerable field of inquiry.